Hello my people, I'm outside Guerilla. I'm here again in the forest, like always, you know. Today I'm here again working on the water pond with Waterfall. You all know that, yeah, in the last episode I was saying that I will come the next day. So let's say tomorrow I was saying that I will come and continue working, but finally, yeah, it was taking me a few days more to finally restart the project now, to come and work another time on it, but finally I did it. It was just 2 days ago that I was starting again to work on here. You will see that now later on a nice time lapse I've been making for Instagram. And yeah guys, what I've been doing is just how you can see, placing the stones a little bit better, putting some little branches down the loam, and then the stones above, you know. And yeah, it's looking pretty good actually. I will give you now a little look about here the ponds, and you can see I've been taking out the top of the bottle, you know. There we got it. This was the top, you know. You all know that the bottle was staying out, you know. It was looking like not very naturally, and yeah, it was just like unnecessary plastic, so I decided today to take it off and finally, yeah, let's say finished here the top with the waterfall, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna give you now a better look of that. So, and here we are guys, I'm gonna give you here better look, first person look of what I've been doing here. 2 days ago I've been working here a lot, not a lot, but yeah, it was taking like 20 minutes, half hour building on this here. How you can see, the bottle is not completely invisible, but yeah, I will put some stones, more stones there, but you can see it looks much more natural than at the beginning, you know. And yeah, that's what I want. So I'm still not testing it, so I don't know if the water will be fall directly into the pond here, or yeah, we will see it, people. I will test it now in a few minutes. And yeah, here you can see the dirt. I need to clean this before too. So yeah, we actually have here a little bit of work still, but it is looking very good, very nice. So now that you've been seeing the water pond in a nice look, you know, I will show you the little time lapse I was making 2 days ago. The first day I was starting to work again here, and now today I was working a little bit more, but there is still some work to do, and that is what I'm going to show you after the little time lapse, people. So I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in 1 minute. So I hope that you all enjoyed the little time lapse I've been making here 2 days ago. And how you can see, got here my 6 liter water drum. I've been digging it out from under the ground, my water storage I've been making here near to my shelter. And yeah, how you can see, it is dirty as fuck. So now I'm gonna start to clean it a little bit, how I've been doing with the pond today too. Here I'm gonna show it you now in a little video. I've been cleaning it out just with these little gadget from AliExpress to spray with the water, so I have a good pressure with the water, and then yeah, I've been cleaning out all this area and trying to take out all the dirt, you know, so that the water will be clean, and yeah, very nice to see. So now let's start to work here and clean a little bit this water drum with the little gadget from AliExpress, and yeah, start to work, my people. Let's go. So how you can see, I've been placing the drum here, the little water bottle here, because yeah, I need water to clean it. And yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of water first, then clean the bottle, and then we're gonna start to work on the waterfall. Yeah, it's dirty as fuck, my people, and we don't want that, because I want clean water, yeah. So let's make some pressure here. So how you can see, this sprays very hard with much pressure, so we will get clean this very fast. And there we got clean water drum to work here, very clean. So I'm gonna use this little bit of water to try out to get out the little bit of dust who is still here. So yeah. So how you can see there, it's just a little bit of dust and sand, yeah, little stones, and I want to get them out, so let's try to get them completely out. So things to move the water, so the things swim already. You make this, and yeah, I always try to keep the water for the plants, you know. But yeah, trying to keep out all the shit, so the water pump will not be so damaged too. Then yeah, getting it out with this little cutted bottle, and yeah, always storing for the plants, like I say. And how you can see here, it's just yeah, not clean water, so I'm gonna make this one more time, and then we will start to make a test run with clean water and see how it runs, people. Yeah, just a little bit more of water, and the same thing again, trying to get out all the shit. Yeah, that's it. So how you can see, there's no more dust. Yeah, just maybe a little bit, but yeah, I got it so clean as possible. So now let's came with some water, people, and make a little test run. Yeah, let's go. Boom. Oh yeah.
Almost, yeah, 5 to 6 liters, you know? Yeah.
I want to see it working nice. Yeah, look at that. That is clean. Clean water, you know? Yeah. So let's came with the water pump and the power bank connected to the tube. Put it inside the water, yeah. So now I need to get my hands dry. And then we connect to the power bank, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, beautiful. But the water is dripping like a little bit inside, you know. I've been seeing it here. It's dripping out a little bit. And I don't want to lose so much water, you know. Yeah, something like this here. Yeah, it drips too much inside. I have to still make something here, you know. Yeah, now I got it. Almost perfect. Yeah, it's still dripping a little bit here, but yeah, I like the sound it is making that way. So, very nice, yeah. Very nice. Gonna give you now a better look. And yeah, it is going great. Going great, guys. So here we are, gonna give you first person look here of this crazy project I've been making in the middle of the forest, in the middle of the Spanish forest, you know, like always. Making crazy projects, but yeah, this one is clearly one of my favorites. I like it very much. Yeah, it is crazy, but yeah, you can see the power bank working, water pump there inside, and the little waterfall, you know. Stones are clean, not completely, but you can see there, yeah, still another time some shit, you know, because yeah, but yeah, that is so because we are in the forest, you know, so I can't keep it completely clean always, but it is cool. I think that the pump will be not damaged so fast by these little shit because water is still clean. You can see I've been cleaning everything very good, and yeah, it is nice to see, people. Nice to see. Look at that. Yeah, a little water pond with waterfall in the middle of the forest, near to my self-made stone oven and my guerrilla site, you know. Completely crazy, people. Completely crazy. So guys, now that we are here at the last video about my water pond with waterfall here at my Guerilla, I will show you now the technique I used to get the water later out. And just with the bottle, putting the bottle here at the tube, and yeah, that's it. I will show it to you now at the end of the video. But yeah, I want to say goodbye. I hope that you all enjoyed the videos about yeah, building the little water pond with waterfall. Now finally I'm done with it, not completely because yeah, I still want to make put some little stones here and yeah, make it like a little bit still more better. But you all will see that soon in maybe another video, or not so soon, because yeah, I'll just finish it for the moment. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see it. There you will see it for sure in some stories. So all my YouTube people, see you soon, stay high, see you soon in a new video, I hope, yeah. So for sure that we have to make another part. Yeah. Oh, it was looking so good, man. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. No. The pump, man. No. 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 Yeah. And there we got it, people. 1 hour of work. Yeah. Destroyed in just 1 second. Yeah, well done, outside bro. That's it. Very cool. Yeah. Only good part of this is that now I can clean everything a little bit better, but yeah, see you in the next part of building my waterfall at my Guerilla, people. See you soon. Oh.